Coping with chickenpox. Chickenpox is an irritating disease. Its blister-like rash is very itchy, causing an almost uncontrollable urge to scratch. Symptoms. In the beginning, chickenpox seems a lot like the flu. The child might have a fever of about 101 degrees-102 degrees Fahrenheit, 38.3 degrees-38.8 degrees Celsius. Other symptoms are a sore throat, stomach ache, or headache. After a few days, the rash appears. The little red bumps look like insect bites. They appear first on the child's trunk. Treatment for chickenpox. Control the itching. Whenever possible, germs from the child's fingers can get into the sores and cause infections. Here are a few home remedies. Cool baths every few hours. Track the temperature. Whenever your child has a fever, track the temperature regularly. Use a non-contact forehead thermometer. Just wave it in front of the child's forehead. It detects and saves the temperature in under a second. Later, keep the child at home. Chickenpox can be dangerous to pregnant women and older people. Chickenpox can't be identified until the rash appears. If one child gets chickenpox, the others in the home will probably get it too. Check the other children's temperature periodically during the incubation period. Thermi non-contact forehead thermometer. Visit us at www.gingerhillcreations.com. Search us on Amazon. Search for Thermi non-contact forehead thermometer by Ginger Kids and Ginger Hill Creations.